smoothing out that firewall? Smooth.
Yeah.
You did remember some stuff. A little bit.
Not that much.
You need a mask on.
Probably. I need one, he needs one, Jerry needs one.
Yeah.
You want to hold my pecker? Will you put your little pecker on the hot spot? This will feel a little swelled up. See, they got dirty mine.
I didn't say a word. I did not say a
Ask
word.
for your little pecker. Yeah. Why'd you gotta be blue? Well, if you had the other one, it'd be the big pecker. I gotta get this big home and big one. Walking in a winter wonderland. Hey, get down there and do a snowing.
I don't think Meredith would like that.
No matter what Meredith likes, she ain't here.
All I know is it looks like the body shop has spread into the mechanical shop because there's all this on the floor.
Well, you got a metal guy over there.
I hadn't seen Lewis do any work yet. Lewis just kind of stands around. What's he gonna help you do in there? I mean, he never moved once since I've been here. I mean, is he gonna supervise? Listen, we don't need to paint that Chevelle over.
Everybody wants to be a painter.
Yeah, that's true. They want the glory.
They get all the glory. I don't want to be a painter.
He said he don't want to be a painter.
I am EQ certified.
Yeah.
So I could paint if I had to. Certified.
Okay. Where's the OBS at?
Oh, it's over here in the woods.
In the woods.
The edge of the woods.
Okay, so this is the next project for, for one of our customers. And I got a good track record of selling my cars to my customers.
And making money off
Anyway, yeah, so, okay, so here's the OBS.
Yep.
And we've got a LS1.
LS3 supercharged.
Whipple.
Whipple supercharger. Yep.
Okay.
From Wagner. 6L80 trans.
Well, how big are those tires? Wheels.
22 by 15s going under the back.
So
Yeah, huge.
Rebuild
so we're going to back half it, front half it, LS swap it, and the latest he wants is a sunroof. Like push button sunroof, not no manual screw.
we're gonna put one of them 1980s pop-ups in that bad boy.
Well, them autos on specials.
Yeah. You can't have no where's it gonna come out? The back?
Oh, they got 'em. No, they got them. Seriously. He's showing me pictures. Yeah. I asked him if he was ready to get started. And
Right.
he looked at his Chevelle. I said, I don't worry about the Chevelle. He said he's ready. So
Okay, so this is the next one. Be starting on probably in a month or two. I don't know. But
and he wants a hood,
cow hood.
different grill,
Yeah.
tuck the bumpers.
Yeah.
So it went from a LS swap to building the OBS.
To LS swap to I'm not gonna spend much on this one to here we go again.
The best kind.
Like all metal wrap.
Hey. Look, Carter hadn't welded since the last time he was here.
No?
Yeah.
He said he still remembered how a little bit.
Well, I asked him, he was like, He hadn't had his hair cut since he left either. Look at that. He's like Joe Dirt.
One time I tried to do that. That doesn't work.
That's David Spade right there, boy.
We're gonna need a better description than the Joe Tony.
Yeah.
This week.
Yeah.
All right.
What are you doing? You
A
make
little
this?
bit more detail.
You make this right here? Or was that already made?
I made it. I've already made it.
It was already made? Or he made it this week?
No, it's been made.
That's one of the
He
first
made
ones I
it
did.
3 months ago when he started this
Uh-huh.
last year.
So, when you ask for closeout panels in your engine bay at Creative Rods, you better get your wallet out.
That's straight on the internet right there.
That's straight on the internet, Mikey.
Oh no.
Mikey D. Right there. Body man. That's a body man right there.
He come to get body him.
Little pecker.
Come get you.
I got a smaller pecker than this one actually.
You hold my favor.
No, it's scratching my face. You wanna see my small pecker?
Yeah.
You wanna see? You
Yeah.
wanna see the smaller pecker?
Internet wants to see the small favor.
Y'all do this stuff on purpose. That is a small pecker. I think you got that on my toolbox at home.
Possibly.
Yeah.
But see, next time somebody asks for a small little pecking hammer, that's what they're gonna get.
I think Mikey might have a smaller than
This is
that.
We compared peckers the other day.
Oh my gosh. There is a box. I'm gonna remind y'all on the YouTube. Is this kid appropriate?
Yes.
They're hammers. Peckers.
They're packers. Woodpecker.
I don't think we would get by with
They are
that.
packers. All kinds of packers. Different kinds of packers.
Like LeBron James.
What you doing? Making turbo pipe?
Make magic.
Make magic.
Notice they call me Mike.
Magic Mike. There you go.
I'm gonna weld this to it. Kind of going with this idea here. There's kits that you usually get
Yeah.
that idea. This is gonna be welded in right here. We have like a small little flex coupler right there. It'll be a hard pipe from here to here. Flex coupler there, one here.
Where's the exhaust coming out?
Somewhere back here.
Somewhere in the back?
Yeah.
So where's that going? Where's that going?
This is going to the intake.
But on the other side of it.
Yeah.
Is that the other side that's going back there somewhere?
No, it's just going inside here. The filter be hidden inside this compartment there.
Is that where the little air filter thing goes?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. And then how you change the air filter? Take that off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Some bolt. Slide right out.
All right, here's Juan's 70 Chevelle. Got it sanded back down. We're going to repaint it. We had a basketball size dent that appeared there the first time we took it to the interior shop. And the only thing we could think of is the difference in temperature between hot and cold, because it left here fine and it showed up there with a huge dent. And so we fixed that, took it back, and we had to bring it back again to do some interior panels, as you see there, to go around the windshield, because the flush mounted glass in the front and back, and make it smooth and hide everything. And when we brought it back, we did a quick repaint. Well, actually, sorry, the first time we did a quick repaint on the back half, and it was a shade off. So we're repainting it, and then it'll go back to the interior shop here in about a month and finish it up. So we mentioned to you that we're going to bring you more content going forward. So I just want to give you a little quick montage on the what the guys did this past weekend at the motorcycle track. Check it out.
watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next Friday at 7 p.m.